When it comes to roof replacement in Lakeshore, Longmont, Colorado, Denny's Roofing is your trusted local expert. We ensure your roof is restored to its best condition, no matter the damage. We'll give you an honest evaluation of your roof's condition and let you know if we find evidence of wind or hail damage. Our assessments are thorough, so you can make informed decisions. Roof damage can lead to leaks and structural issues if not addressed promptly. We offer comprehensive replacement services to protect your home and restore your peace of mind. Our experienced team uses only top-quality materials for every project. From shingles to metal, we have solutions to fit your specific needs. Our process starts with a detailed inspection to understand the extent of the damage. From there, we provide a clear and accurate estimate with no hidden costs. We understand the urgency when it comes to roof issues, so we act quickly to deliver reliable results. Your home's safety is our priority. Ready for a roof replacement? Call us at 970-275-4012. Visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/longmont-roofing-company to learn more. Denny's Roofing, quality craftsmanship, trusted service.